Today, I'm going to show you how to automate Shopify product creation using nothing more than a product image, powered by n8n Ollama and Shopify GraphQL. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to upload a product photo, let AI generate the title, description, and color automatically, and then create the product directly inside Shopify without manually entering any information. Let's get started. First, open n8n. Before we begin, if you don't have n8n installed yet, I have a complete beginner-friendly tutorial that shows you how to install n8n locally using Docker. The video is called Build Your Own AI Agent Locally in Minutes, and you'll find the link in the description. Create a new workflow and start with a form. Click Add Node and search for n8n Form and select on New n8n Form event. Once the node is open, give your form a title and description. Next, add a form element. Choose File as the element type because we'll be uploading a product image to trigger the workflow. Then execute the node to preview the form and check the output. Now let's add the AI agent. The AI agent will analyze the uploaded image and generate product information for Shopify. Set the prompt source to define below, and we'll create the prompt next. We want the model to act as an SEO copywriter and product specialist. The model should analyze the image and return only 3 fields: title, description, and color. The output must be valid JSON. This is very important because we want n8n to easily read and process the data in the next steps. We also force the response to start with an opening curly bracket and end with a closing curly bracket. This prevents the model from wrapping the response inside Markdown or code blocks. Now we need to configure the AI model. For this tutorial, we're using Gemma 3 Vision running locally through Ollama. If you haven't installed it yet, I made another tutorial showing exactly how to install Ollama Gemma 3 Vision. The title is How to Analyze an Image Locally in n8n with Ollama Gemma 3 Vision Model. The link is also available in the description. Inside the AI agent node, add a chat model. Search for Ollama and connect your Ollama instance. Then, select the Gemma 3 Vision model. Now, execute the workflow and upload a product image. You should see the AI generate a title, description, and color based on the image. Next, we need to separate those values. Add an edit fields node after the AI agent. The AI response is stored inside the output field, so we'll parse the JSON. For the title field, create a new field called title and write, 2 opening curly bracket JSON.parse. Open parenthesis, $JSON.put, close parenthesis, .title, 2 closing curly bracket. Then for the description field, it's the same, but replace title with description. And for the color field, do exactly the same, but replace it with color. Execute the node. Now, you'll see each value separated into its own field. This makes the data much easier to use in the next step. Now, let's connect Shopify, add an HTTP request node. Next, open the Shopify product, create GraphQL documentation. The link is available in the description. Inside the documentation, look for the curl example. We'll use that information to configure our HTTP request node. Set the method to post. Copy the Shopify GraphQL URL and replace the store name with your own Shopify store. Enable send headers and add the required headers from the Shopify documentation. You'll also need your Admin API access token. If you don't have one yet, I made a complete tutorial showing how to generate a Shopify API access token step by step. You'll find that link below as well. For the request body, switch specify body to using JSON and copy the GraphQL mutation from the Shopify documentation. By default, Shopify includes multiple product option values. For this example, we're only creating a single initial variant, so we can simplify the mutation and remove the extra option values. It's important to know that product create only creates the product and its initial variant. If you want multiple variants, such as different sizes or colors, you'll need to use product variants bulk create mutation. I'll create a separate tutorial covering that process. The default Shopify example also doesn't include a product description. You can easily add the description field to the mutation like so. Finally, replace the hard-coded values inside the GraphQL query with the dynamic fields coming from the Edit Fields node. Simply delete the static values and drag the corresponding fields from the left panel. Execute the workflow, and that's it. Shopify will instantly create a new product using the information generated from the image. You now have a fully automated Shopify product creation workflow powered by n8n, Ollama Vision, and GraphQL. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. See you in the next one.